Hindi ba lalala o masiinit ang tensyon kung papapasukin lalo ang US sa gulo sa West Philippine Sea? Tanong yan ng isang media reporter kay PBBM. Agad niyang pinalaganyan ng Pangulo. Bakit? Hindi ba tayo target ng China? Kahit wala nga ang Amerika sa lupain at karagatan ng ating bansa, binubuli na tayo ng mga Chinese Coast Guard. Nanindigan din ang Pangulong Marcos na kahit hindi tumulong ang US, lalabanan natin yung mga Chekwa. Pero si President Trump na daw mismo ang nag-alok. Tutulong sila sa Pilipinas kung tatangkain man ng China sakupin ang West Philippine Sea.
Kasama ito, tinutulungan tayo ng mga Amerikano sa SRDP natin, as our Self-Reliance Defense Program. That's really something that we were going to do anyway. Kahit wala tayong katulong, gagawin talaga natin yun. They've offered to help.
Bukod sa mga EDCA sites, posibleng ang madagdagan pa ang military bases ng US, especially sa mga naval bases, mga daungan ng warship. Pina-finalize na rin ang ammunition manufacturing storage facilities sa Naval Subic Base, pagawaan ng bala, mga missile at mga ammo ng kanyon. Hindi ba daw natakot si PBBM na baka magalit ang China lalo?
How do you intend to face threats or warnings from China, considering that we expect them not to react positively with this development in Subic as well as the Luzon corridor?
Well, before we go to your question on the jobs, there's been much comment. I'll say that the infrastructures, military infrastructures, and the programs that we are initiating will make us a target for China. Are we not already a target for China? So I think that what we have to be thinking about is protecting the Philippines.
Kahit nga magalit pa ang China, mapikon ang China, itatayo daw ang pagawaan ng bala. Supply yan ng Pilipinas kung magkakaputukan. Hindi pa pwedeng aasa na lang tayo sa US. Dapat handa tayo kung magkakabarilan. Kaya kahit anong mangyari o reaksyon ng China dyan, wala daw pake ang gobyerno sa kanila. Para daw to sa sariling interes ng Pilipinas.
Part of the modernization of the Philippine military is really as a response to the circumstances that surround the situation around the South China Sea and now what we used to refer to as Asia Pacific, which we have expanded now to the Indo-Pacific. And if we would certainly, like in any kind of military spending, we would wish that it wasn't necessary, but it is. And so that is what we are doing. And as an adjunct to the question about the ammunition production, this is actually the United States is assisting the Philippines in what we call our Self-Reliance Defense Program, which is to allow us to be self-reliant and to be able to stand our own 2 feet, whatever the circumstances that occur in the future. And that the reason that we have encouraged more interaction with the United States.
Tama naman si Pangulong Marcos. Hindi pa pwedeng aasa tayo sa Amerika pag nagkagulo. Saan tayo kukuha ng bala, di ba? Alanganin naman kung galing pa yan sa US. Kaya pabor na pabor ako kung tayo mismo ang gagawa ng bala nating pangdigmaan. Kayo, payag din ba kayo? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.